Welcome back after a couple of weeks here at Agohp. Haven't done a video in a while, as throughout my multi-day fast, I fasted for 7 days. I didn't really feel like talking to a camera. I had a lot of mental clarity and just wanted to take that within and use these thoughts and push that energy forward for my life. And it's done very well for myself. But today, really important topic, as we just had an incredible crypto crash, nearly 19 billion in leveraged positions were wiped out. Bitcoin dropped from 120 to 101 on some exchanges. So over a 10-15% dump within a few hours. What happened? Well, Donald Trump happened again. He's on his period again. And he put 100% tariff on Chinese goods. We're in a massive trade war. I do prefer trade war to actual physical war. At least no humans die. But the crazy part is that there was crypto dorks, weak little weasels, who borrowed way over their head. They borrowed money, lost it all, and they actually killed themselves. I mean, it's nuts. Our human life is the only thing God has given us that we need to protect and value at all times. And because of a crypto dump, they took it themselves. Pretty nuts. Some people are just stupid. They clearly didn't value their life very much. But anyway, going back to this liquidation process, it's just a massive reminder, guys, that crypto is simple gambling. There is one situation in the market, one decision maker, one aspect comes in uncalculated, and it creates fear, and boom, you see how the market reacted. Also the stock market, etc., etc. My Euro USD trading bot was doing incredibly well. My algorithm, we did 1.2% last week, steady, no drawdowns, nothing. So of course my crypto portfolio suffered, but this is just how it is. I don't do any leverage trading, right? So I don't take these risks. But the crypto dorks, they lost everything because that's all they have. And the guys who are complaining and crying now, that's exactly all they have. I have my real estate businesses, my vacation rental businesses, I have my buy-to-let properties, I also have my hotels. I don't need crypto. If crypto goes 90% down tomorrow, I'm just gonna fucking hold. I don't care. And I'm gonna buy more. I'll be happy. I'm actually upset I didn't have any buying positions at 105k Bitcoin, and it would have fulfilled. Stupid of me. I'm gonna open a few. So for most people, obviously, it was a loss, but there was people who could buy Bitcoin at 101k on some exchanges. Massive discount. Sadly, I wasn't one of them, but now having seen this, I will open a couple of buying position on Bybit. So at these levels. So crypto dorks lost everything. Crypto dorks probably realized now that all these years spending on X and Telegram groups and looking what the crypto gurus are doing was a complete waste of their time. What they should have done, and this is really what life is about, is that you need to spend your time and acquire useful, beneficial skills for society. And you need to learn how to outperform all the others. Competition, you gotta win. And before you win, oh bro, you gotta lose. Many times. And you're gonna work 10 times harder than the rest. Like when I had my first service apartment, I cleaned it myself, I maintained it myself, I picked up the guests myself. I replied to every fucking message they sent myself, took all their calls, I did the listing, I edited the photos, I made the photos, I did everything myself. My competition didn't. So I had to work 10 times harder than them. And obviously my pricing was also lower. I had to work even harder, right? But then over the years, when I acquired skills and I learned how to employ people, where to find them, then I could run 50 apartments at the same time, 200 apartments, 500 apartments, etc. So first you got to lose, and then throughout the process and keep going, you need to acquire useful skills. Well, and gents, if you haven't realized it yet, we do have a multi-generational wealth opportunity right now. This is why I'm so focused on AI. I have a trading algorithm fully automated, which is based on AI, which is an unemotional decision maker. That's why it's done 1.2% last week and didn't lose anything, because it just didn't react to this garbage. And also my AI agents, my AI assistant, and we're building multiple other AI products right now in the background for us. We're testing a call agent, we're testing a content generating agent. So there's so many things that you will be able to automate, accounting, etc., etc. Like, there's unlimited opportunity, and all you guys have to do, it's just there for the grasps. You just have to pick a piece and go for it, learn it, and make money from it. It's a completely new world, and I don't know when this opportunity is going to come around again. I mean, AI is going to be there, and it's going to be growing for a very, very long time. So guys, instead of trying to be a crypto billionaire by luck, you need to fail, you need to acquire skills, you need to train, you need to practice for years, like everybody had to. I'm doing this for over 15 years. It's normal. And when you do it that way, and you make $1 million, you're actually gonna know what to do with it. You're actually not gonna waste it. You're not gonna mismanage it, misinvest it. You're also not going to be acting like a dick, because you knew and you're settled, without arrogance. Of course, confidence, but without arrogance, because you know how much pain you went through to make that money. And this is what you guys should be focused on. Please take this message on, try it out. The real world has an amazing AI platform, but there's many, many others where you can learn things just free online. ChatGPT is free, knows how to build AI agents. Just get going. Opportunity of a lifetime. Guys, if you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. And I'll see you guys on the next one at Agohp. Take care.